Well, what can I say? My dream has come true, and this is not an exaggeration. I've been thinking about doing the TTC course for a very long time, precisely 5 years. But it was very difficult to find 1 month off in my work life and go away to do this. And then the whole lockdown situation happened. A very unpleasant, very bad event for the whole planet, but it turned out to be very positive for me because it gave me the opportunity to dedicate time for my own development. And I'm so happy I made this decision at the beginning of June to start this online training. And I'm so lucky that I found you guys. And I'm very grateful that you've put together such an excellent course. Wonderful, beautiful experience, full of knowledge, full of wisdom. My biggest learning is probably that I've learned to do the regular practice. I've been doing that before as well, but this time I actually developed a habit and it become part of my life. You have become part of my life. I will miss you. I will watch the videos with your classes again and again because I found them extremely useful. I'm so grateful for all the feedback I received. I really got into teaching. I started in parallel teaching my relatives, and I find it very, very useful. I loved all the things that I learned in this course on yoga philosophy, on yoga, on meditation, on asanas, on the art of teaching. I'm so happy I've discovered the functional approach to yoga. I'm so happy I've discovered yin yoga and restorative yoga. I've consolidated my practice. I've learned how to teach people, so I will be doing that. And I also discovered probably my path, which will be yoga therapy. So I'll continue learning. This is just the beginning. It's a graduation, so it's the end of something very pleasant, very happy ending. But it's also the beginning for me for the new life, for the new path, and the path that is true, that is the one that really belongs to me, that I feel I belong to. Thank you very, very much indeed. I'm so happy. Namaste. Thank you.